Welcome to the Ultimate Digital Marketing Bootcamp. I'm Nathan Latka, and I have to tell you, you made such a smart choice in buying this course. That's because many years ago, I launched my own company from my dorm room, and I took my website from no traffic to 1,000 views in under a week. I took my email list from nothing to over 1,000 people opted in the first 3 months. I started with no customers and grew it to over 1,000 paying customers in the first year. And lastly, the most important thing, I went from no revenue to over $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue as my side hustle when I was still in school. A few years after that, the company was valued at $10.5 million, and of course, I sold it. So all of these things would not have been possible without digital marketing. Now that you're in, I want to get you excited about what you're about to learn. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to do things like set up your first WordPress website and your blog without having to know how to code. I know the reason a lot of you guys purchased was because you're not a developer and maybe you're not well versed in digital marketing. Well, this course is perfect for you. By the end of the course, you'll also go through activities that include growing your email list by setting up your first opt-in form. I'll then show you how to take that opt-in form, put it on your website so you can start building that email list that you have always dreamed of. I think you're really going to enjoy that section. Another activity you'll go through, which is a little more advanced and more, your mom might call it Web 2.0, but we'll talk about live streaming and chatbots and how to use both of those things to drive new organic traffic, leads, and sales to your website. This is definitely something that's new and breaking, but if you understand things like the 3 words to say in your Facebook or Twitter or YouTube live stream, it will drastically increase the number of likes, comments, and shares you get on that video, which obviously makes you more excited to do it again. I'll also show you how to use chatbots to drive more clicks back to your product and sales pages. Additionally, another activity you'll go through and you'll actually execute inside of this course is setting up your first Google Analytics backend. And a lot of people think Google Analytics, this is gonna be so tough. It's actually very simple. It requires about 3 clicks. I'll show you how to do it. We'll get it set up for you as an activity inside of this course. So you will be executing along with me. I have this stack of notebooks of all these tactics and digital marketing that I used when I was growing my first company. And this course is basically me extracting all of those pages in these lectures for you to jump in and dive into. Now, by the end of this course, you'll be able to go maybe freelance in the digital marketing world and command 50 to 60 bucks an hour. If you're a business owner taking this course and you're unhappy with your traffic, leads, and sales, you're gonna go and you're gonna execute these things and you're gonna increase your traffic, you'll start building your email list, and you'll start seeing sales come in brand new ways you never thought of. And lastly, maybe you're just starting out launching your own company and you don't know anything and you also have very little money to invest. This course is perfect for you. You'll get your business launched without spending a lot of money. All right, guys, jump in with me. I'll see you in the next lecture.